Keeping your car's paint protected and glossy is easier with modern ceramic protection products. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant and Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating are two popular options known for shine and durability. While both offer strong protection, they differ in longevity, application process, and overall performance. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant is a spray-on product, which creates a protective ceramic layer on your car's paint. It bonds to the surface and leaves a smooth, water-repelling finish. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating is made to provide stronger and longer-lasting protection. It forms a deeper bond with the paint and can last many months with proper care. While both products protect your car, Meguiar's is designed for more durable and long-term results. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant is very easy to use. You simply spray it onto a clean surface and wipe it with a microfiber towel. It is a great choice for beginners or anyone who wants quick and simple protection. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating can also be applied at home, but it needs more preparation. The car must be properly washed and cleaned before applying the coating with an applicator. It takes more time, but it provides longer-lasting protection. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant provides strong protection that can last for several months in normal conditions. It gives nice shine and good water beading, but you may need to apply it again to keep maximum protection. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating is made to last much longer. With proper care, it can protect the surface for up to a year or more. If you want longer-lasting protection, Meguiar's is usually the better choice. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant gives a glossy, slick surface that makes colors pop and water bead well. The finish looks clean and polished, and many users love how easy it is to maintain. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating also gives excellent gloss, but because it forms a stronger bond, many owners find the finish looks deeper and more reflective over time. The difference is not dramatic in photos, but in person, ceramic coatings often have a more glass-like look compared to sealants. If you want the deepest shine and most reflective surface, ceramic coatings usually deliver that slightly better. Both products protect your car's paint very well. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Sealant is best for easy application, strong water-repelling effect, and regular quick touch-ups. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating is best for long-lasting protection if you don't mind spending more time on prep and application. The choice depends on how long you want the protection to last and how glossy and reflective you want your car's finish.